progress on this thing. So I have this little task of cleaning up the bed and doing some undercoating on this bad boy. We've got quite a bit of rubber under here from our fiasco of attempting to blow the motor up that wouldn't die. So yeah, definitely have probably a couple hours in cleaning, but go with all this beautiful powder coat and clean undercarriage we've got going on. So let's get into it.
Two hours later.
Man, I'm telling you, this truck bed is about to be cleaner than my kitchen counters. We got all the boring stuff done, and yeah, you could eat off this thing now. That's just a fraction of the dirt that came off. Dirt and rubber and grossness.
Does it really build unless your gas neck filler's powder coated?
Overkill every time.
Sorry, my life.
Ooh, looking good. All right, now time to set the bed on. We are in the powder coat shop together tonight, powder coating some of the last pieces for this any level build that JC's been working on at the BCC shop. That will be done this week. That we'll get to show you guys, right?
Yes, it should be done tomorrow.
Ooh. So these are the wheels. This is just clear right now, but they're going illusion orange, and it's always fun, you know, two-step, two-toning wheels.
It's not fun. Do not let it ride.
Always a good time. So these are taking a hot minute, but we're gonna finish them up. We'll show you guys the completed build in this video. Y'all, so the last thing you saw us powder coating was these wheels. So this is the latest any level build finished up at the BCC shop, and if you want to come a little closer, we'll take a look at some of the details. So we've got these 30-inch JTXs wrapped in 42-inch Furies. The design on these wheels is the Empire, and they've got the backs and windows powder coated. All of the powder coat is illusion orange with Alcea gold silver from Prismatics. That's a clear coat to just give it that sparkly pop. So we're gonna have this truck until LST, and then it's gonna be going back to its home in Colorado. And I think it turned out pretty good.
It's almost Valentine's Day, and Lacey's been wanting one of these for a long time. So, found this thing on Marketplace last night. Just went and picked it up. Now we're gonna go to her shop and surprise her with it. Lacey, I was buying this truck. I just told her I was going to look at it, so we're gonna surprise her with it. It's a 1969 C50 sitting on a 2007 Chevy chassis with an LS and a fresh trans in it. The truck actually drives really good. I just ran 80 mile an hour down the toll road in it. What are you doing?
Ordering things.
I bought you something today.
No, you didn't.
Come look. It's this way.
I'm nervous. Are you being serious?
You said you wanted one.
Don't play with me. Oh my god. I don't know if I trust you.
Look, you got the keys. Happy Valentine's Day.
Really?
Yeah.
Shut up. This is way better than an engagement ring.
Absolutely. All right, you ready?
What motor's in it?
It's an LS.
Oh.
Them stacks, boy.
Yeah, they don't make a whole lot of sense, do they?
Give her a little gas.
But I like them. Is that where the exhaust is coming out of?
Yeah.
I like the stacks.
I got the back up.
Turn radius over here.
All right, you're good. You can get out now.
Don't play with me.
I'm not playing with you.
Want to do a burnout? Your run's good.
I just drove 80 mile an hour down the toll road.
Damn.
Give her some gas.
This is sweet. It literally is like so comfortable to drive. I feel like I can drive it every day.
You can.
I love it. Is this seriously my Valentine's present?
It's seriously your Valentine's present.
Are you being serious?
I'm
though?
being serious.
Like, don't just.
No Indian giving.
Not just for the video?
Not
yeah,
just for the-
okay, so history on that, guys. The dually that he drives every day.
Was supposed to be hers.
He brought it home and said it was for me. And I knew it
And
was
then
a lie
I
the whole
repoed
time.
it. But this one's actually yours.
So I could paint it
You could paint it
I
pink if you wanted to.
Wow. Thank you, baby.
Whatever. You don't even like it.
Yes, I do. I love it.
No.
Yes. I love it so much. All right, so obviously none of us are feeling the wheels, of course. I know you guys aren't. But the guy that he bought it from needs the wheels back anyways. So we're about to switch out the wheels for some temporary ones. But Zach ordered some dually adapters from Shifted Industries that should be here this week. And then we're gonna fill up this wheel well a little bit more with some dually wheels. Some JTXs, of course. Woo, she pretty. So we're gonna do that and then find someone that can do some good sheet metal and finish this fender. And then of course the tailgate and a real fuel tank and all that back here, but I'm not real worried about that. A bumper, of course. But I'm gonna drive it exactly how it is for now, for a while. I love it. And it's one of those, you know, it doesn't have to be perfect, doesn't have to be a show truck. And that's the kind of project that I've really been needing lately. Get rid of these bad boys. Look at these thick boys over here.
We're gonna get rid of these and we're gonna put them on there.
Are those dually wheels?
Yeah. No, my dually wheels that are on my 450. We're
yeah.
gonna take them off, put street tires on them, and put them on there.
Yeah, this is thick.
This we're gonna
Not
put on the back
white.
of the 58.
Yes. But these are going back to the guys.
Yeah, these are going back.
Yeah, but look, it's not complete without this. Look at that. I got you a blackface CB.
That's pretty nice.
It's got, look at it. That is a truck, brother.
2066 Ford Giotto's on it.
That trucker's got 24 5s. Okay, it's the same damn thing. It's gonna look cool. It's got stacks.
Right. For no reason, but it's got them.
I'm telling you, it's not complete without
It
CB.
fits the look.
It does. Look at that look. Brother. I got the antenna on the toolbox. I got the coax. That's what I'm saying. Look, we go big trucking right now.
I am liking the all black look though. Just murder it out, make it a shadow. That looks pretty cool. Me?
No, the jack stands.
Oh.
The only issue is I think you need an upper ball joint because she got a little wobble to her.
Well.
Good thing that fucker didn't come off when I was running 80 down the toll road earlier.
Would have been kind of cool, but not
Called
cool.
and returned it.
Yeah, that looks good. Missing a little something back here, but we'll fix that. Get your dirty paws off my truck, brother.